Hello dear students, I am Assistant Professor Priyanka Kashid from Department of Chemistry, SHGM College, Kopargaon. We will discuss the dairy chemistry. In dairy chemistry, preservatives and adulterants in a milk is the important point for the milk storage. And first we will take the preservative point. Now I introduce two preservatives. Preservatives is the term used to describe any processes used to slow down the normal decay of food. There are many forms of food preservation. They ranges from simple refrigeration to treatment with the radiation. We know that the milk is a medium very favorable for growth of microorganisms in order to keep it for a longer time. It needs careful handling. Therefore, the most common method for preservation of milk, there are the number of methods for microorganisms in milk by the following methods. Preservation of milks are divided into two types, by the action of heat and by the use of preservatives. Most of mercury chloride, potassium dichromate, hydrogen peroxide, formalin, benzoic acid, salicylic acid, etc. are used for the in preservative techniques. And by the action of heat, there are two methods: pasteurization and sterilization. Then methods uses for the preservations. Prompt cooling is one of the important method uh, for the milk preserve. Milk is most commonly preserved by prompt cooling. Milk contains microorganisms when drawn from the udder. There are a number of increases during the subsequent handling. The common milk microorganism grows between the 20 and 40 degrees Celsius. Bacterial growth is variably accompanied by deterioration in a market quality due to the development of flavors and acidity. One method of preserving milk is prompt cooling to a low temperature. The critical temperature of milk is 10 degrees Celsius. The freshly drawn should therefore the promptly cool to 5 degrees Celsius or below till it is processed. The prompt cooling is based on the principle of heat exchange. The heating and cooling. The freshly drawn milk is poured into the milk tanker, which is run by mechanical refrigeration system and is cooled rapidly to a low temperature 5 degrees Celsius. The tanker automatically maintains the temperature and storage period. By the action of heat, there are two methods by which the number of microorganisms are reduced by the action of heat. There are two methods. First one is pasteurization and second one is sterilization. First, we will discuss the pasteurization. Pasteurization means it kills the bacteria and other harmful organisms present in it, and it is the most important method for the preserving food and most commonly used to preserve milk. Then we will discuss the process. It involves the heating food at specific temperature and for a certain period of time and then immediate cooling. There are two methods of pasteurization. First one is holding method and second one is high temperature short time. Holding method means it refers to the heating every particle to the milk or milk products to at least 62 degrees Celsius and holding it such a temperature for at least 30 minutes. And high temperature short time, it involves heating milk or milk products to at least 71 degrees Celsius and holding such a temperature for at least 15 seconds, or heating to at least 80 degrees Celsius and cooling immediately in approved properly operated equipments. Heating is always followed by immediate cooling so that organisms resistant to such a temperature may not thrive well. It has been found that the temperature of 62 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes and 71 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds, or 80 degrees Celsius, common diseases producing types of bacteria such as those of thyroid, tuberculosis, scarlet fever, diarrhea, which may be present in the milk. Let us discuss the advantages of pasteurization. It requires less space and capacity to treat milk quickly and adequately, while maintaining the rigid quality control over both the raw and finished product. Next advantage is lower and initial operating cost. In lower initial and operating cost, it increases the keeping quality. Milk packaging can start immediately after pasteurization. Automatic precision control ensures positive pasteurization. Next one is process can stop and start at any time. It destroys the common disease producing bacteria. There are the disadvantages of pasteurization. It requires bulk of milk, margins of safety in a product, sanitary control are so narrow that automatic control precision instruments are required in its operation. Due to the high temperature of heating, greater accumulation of milk stone takes place. Milk treated by this method spoils quickly if not refrigerated. And last process pasteurization is ultra high temperature. Ultra high temperature methods, it is one of the important method. If milk is pasteurized by the ultra high temperature method, it can be kept for months without refrigeration. In this method, milk is heated 149 degrees Celsius to for 6 to 9 seconds in a plate or tubular heat exchanger. It is then cooled rapidly and stored in a sterile container, and it is also known as sterilized milk. Sterilization, there are two types of sterilization process. First one is batch process and second one is continuous process. First we will see the batch process. Batch process, these may either be rotary or non-rotary in a type. It means the milk is rotated or non-rotated. The batch means the tank is sterilized are rectangular horizontal boiler shape, restored with a steam inlet and condensed outlet, fitted with clamp down cover into which steam is adjusted for the required temperature and time for sterilization. Then advantages: simplicity and flexibility of operation and less initial capital and recurring expenditure. Disadvantages of batch process: usually produces a brownish appearance and cooked taste in the finished product. cooling has to be slow. It may be faulty. Large scale processes are not obtained because of it is a tank or batch are required in a batch processes. In the batch rotary type, the filled bottles are put into the holders which are rotated at 6 to 7 revolution per minute, and the sterilized milk is of slightly better quality in a rotary type sterilizers than in a non-rotary ones. Let us see the continuous process. Continuous process is the filled and sealed milk bottles are automatically placed by means of slant conveyor into the pockets of carrier cages. They then pass into water at or near boiling temperature. Steam, it consists of a steam chamber 108 to 111 degrees Celsius. It means the 225 to 230 Faradays. Here the bottles remains for a predetermined time 25 to 30 minutes for the milk sterilization. In this way, the two methods we have to finish. And thank you for watching the video.